All right, welcome into the show. Creative Crypto here. And today, guys, I have another airdrop video for you. As airdrop hunters, what we really are looking for is a project that, number one, has the funding and has a good use case or blockchain. Because without those things, it's not going to have a big enough impact of an airdrop. Now, the great thing is in these airdrop times is you don't actually have to invest your own money into these. You're only investing your time. Unlike back in the ICO days when I actually had to invest my own crypto into a portfolio of different ICOs. And I was just gambling and hoping that some of them would actually launch their token and the token would actually go up in price. Very rare did that actually happen. I lost a lot of money back in those times. Fortunately for you, in this time, this is the day and age of airdrops, where projects get private equity funding first, they create their project, and then airdrop tokens to early adopters or even testnet users. Now, I've shown you 3 previous airdrop videos using blockchain testnets. This video is also going to be using a testnet, but it's going to be a little different because the project we're talking about today already has their token live for trading on Binance Smart Chain. But the cool thing is, and why I think an airdrop is very much possible for this project, is their main component of their project is on the testnet phase right now for you to be able to test out. Not only that, but you can also stake some of their coin into the protocol to potentially be eligible for a free airdrop worth thousands of dollars. Now, we've seen lately in the news that Uniswap just announced that people that are staking Uniswap tokens in their protocol are going to be eligible for rewards. And we saw that token spike up 50, 60, 70% overnight. I believe this crypto I'm going to talk about in this video can do the exact same thing and nobody even knows about it yet. Now, this airdrop is not announced. It's just a rumor. It's just speculation on my part. But that's what we have to do as airdrop hunters is we have to look ahead and look for the future and see what could potentially give an airdrop. Not everything's going to give an airdrop. Some projects might give airdrops to testnets. Some projects might give airdrop to people that use the mainnets once they go live. But the great thing is we don't have to risk our actual money to be able to do most of these. A lot of them you can just use testnets and you're just using some of your time. So guys, if that interests you, I recommend you sticking around, watching this video, and trying to complete the tasks that I share in this video because it could be very profitable to you in the future. So without further ado, the project we're talking about this week is Openfabric. Now, Openfabric is a network for building and connecting decentralized AI applications. Now, this is big, guys, because 2024, it's not only the year of airdrops, but it's also the year of AI. And AI coins and AI applications are going to be big this year and into the future. So if you can get the best of both worlds, a cryptocurrency that uses AI and has a service for AI, that is where you want to be. So this is why I brought this to you guys here today, because I only try to bring the best of the best on videos and something that is worth your time and something that I think is going to be profitable in the long run, because I don't want to waste my time and I don't want to waste your time either. So guys, let's dive in. And before we get to the steps, I just want to show you this is Openfabric. Okay, layer 1 for artificial intelligence. Okay, so basically what they do is they offer a suite of AI tools tailored to meet the needs of the modern world. So what this actually is a decentralized way to use AI applications. These different AI apps that people build, they do different things and they have different purposes. And this is also a way for creators to upload their AI apps to this service and for people to purchase it through this. And it's all in a decentralized way. Because we know in today's age, there's a lot of AI applications on the market, but none of them are decentralized. And this is a decentralized AI marketplace in a sense. So we'll dive more into that, guys. Okay, this is the Openfabric AI token. It's up 11% today. Okay, so this is what we're going to be looking at here. And this is what could potentially be airdropped to people using their testnet and for people staking this token in their protocol. Like I said, I see this potentially as a Uniswap style opportunity here where the market cap is very low and you can get in now and stake some of these and just use the testnet. You know, I get it. Money is tight. It's tight for me as well. So if you don't have the extra funds to be able to buy this token, that's okay. You can still use the free option and use the testnet to potentially get this airdrop. So let's get started, guys. So the first step we need to do is connect our wallet to the Openfabric testnet. Now there's two ways to do this. You can go through this and do it manually, which is fairly simple. You would just come over here to your MetaMask and you would go to networks and you're going to click add network. There's also a way around this if you don't want to do it manually, because when you go to step 3, I believe you can connect it from this website and you can add the blockchain there. But I just want to show you how to do it in the video, just in case you want to do it manually. You can also do that as well. So we're just going to copy and paste each one of these over. Okay, one by one. We will copy this one for the new RPC URL. Then we're going to copy the chain ID. We're going to paste that over here. Next is the currency symbol. Paste over there. And the last thing is the block explorer. Copy the block explorer and we will paste that over here and click save. Connected successfully. Now this is my other wallet. Let's go to this wallet I want to do for the demo in the video, which I don't have any test tokens on. Okay, so now we're going to copy our wallet address and we're going to go to step 2, which is to get the testnet OFN on the faucet. Now the reason why we're doing this is because they're going to launch their own blockchain. They haven't done that yet. They have a token trading on PancakeSwap, but they are going to launch their own blockchain as well. So I don't know how that's going to work with the merger and this and that. But right now it is trading on PancakeSwap, but they are, like I said, they are going to launch their own blockchain, which is what's going to be used for their services, which is what we can use for the testnet. Okay, so first we'll go to the faucet. You need to copy your address here, type it in there, click request. And this faucet is pretty reliable and pretty fast. You can use it once every 24 hours and you get 100 testnet tokens. So they should be able to show up in your wallet very soon. And there it is. Pretty instant. Okay, so that is done. So now we move on to step 3, which is to register our account at this website, the openfabric.dev. Okay, so you're going to need to just make any first name. It really doesn't matter. I'll just type in creative, because I already did creative crypto for my other one, so I'll do just creative YouTube. Okay, type in, make sure you use the email that you do have access to. Once that information's in, you're going to click register with MetaMask, and then you're going to have to sign a few things in your MetaMask. All right, so once that goes through, let that process, and then it's going to bring up the login page. So nothing's happening, so let me click register again. Now it's signing. Okay, so yeah, you see how that did? So I did have to actually click it twice. So don't freak out if that happens to you. Just keep rolling with it, and you'll get the hang of it. So now we're going to actually log in. So we go to, this is step 4. So step 4 is to now log into your account at this. This is the same link that just popped up. Okay, so we'll click log in. We need to sign the message again. You can also watch their little walkthrough video as well. It is helpful to kind of understand how to do it, but I'm going to show you basically the same thing that they show in this video. So I'll go through that as well. So now we're in the Openfabric marketplace. So the next thing is to pick 2 apps to install and use. You don't actually have to install them on your computer. They're just used on the web browser here, which is really great because you don't have to use your own computer data. So because each application does cost tokens, you can only do 2 at a time. So I'll do 2 in this video, and then on your own, you're going to have to wait 24 hours, use the faucet again, and get more testnet tokens to use the other 2. So let's do Art Fabric. You click on this one. Okay, we're going to press create instances, and we're going to click on one of these. Doesn't matter which one. Click on one, press continue. This is essentially purchasing this for you to use. And the great thing about this is it's actually a lifetime purchase, I believe. Okay, so we're going to pay now with 40 testnet OFN. Okay, we're paying for the app and we're paying for the server there. Okay, so that'll be processed here. Click on that pay now button, complete the transaction in your MetaMask. And once this goes through, you can start using the application. All right, so this is done. So what this is, guys, is this is an image creator, an AI image creator. And this is actually really cool because you can actually use this to create real images and use those images for free. Okay, you're getting an AI image generator here for free. So the way this works is you have to put in a prompt and then the AI will generate it for you. So let's come up with a cool prompt and get a cool picture here. So we're going to type in future car chrome in a digital world. You can type anything you want, but this might come up with a cool picture. So let's see what we get. Let that process. And look at that, guys. We have a futuristic car. You can download this. You can do anything you want with it. All right, let's see another one here. Futuristic city in a digital world. So that's the cool thing about these AI is you can really get it to create some futuristic stuff. All right, so let's see what that looks like. So just create some images, guys, just to make sure that you have proof that you used a testnet there. There's a future city. So you can do this for anything. Like I said, you can download these. These are real images you can use. Okay, so pretty cool stuff here with this Openfabric. So let's go back to the AI marketplace and let's do another one here. Let's do this QR fabric here. So what this is it creates custom QR codes. All right, so cool stuff, and you can actually put images and stuff in it. So let's purchase this, press continue. Same thing, you're gonna have to pay for this. Okay, you're gonna have to sign it first. We're gonna pay for the app and the server. Click pay now, complete the transaction in your MetaMask. And once that goes through, we will be able to use this one. Now this one I haven't tried yet. This is my first time. I tried the sound one and the image one on my other wallet. So I'm learning right here with you guys right now. So let's see what this looks like. All right, so we're just gonna leave this here and we're just going to press run and see what it makes. See if this thing's working. It might take a little long to use this. I've never actually used this, guys. So you can put any link you want and any type of prompt to create the QR code. This is actually really great for someone that owns their own business and wants a way for people to link to their website and a fancy looking QR code. Okay, so we'll let this do its thing because I think this takes a little bit longer than the other one. Okay, and you can, like I said, you can come over here to your installed apps. This is where they are to use. Okay, go back to the marketplace. They only have 4 available right now. So get some more test OFN on the faucet and use the next 2 in the next day. Okay, so now we're going to go on to step 5, which is we're going to buy their token that's trading on PancakeSwap and we're going to stake it. Okay, so go to PancakeSwap. I already have it open over here. And we're going to go to swap. We need to switch the network back to the BNB chain. All right, guys, before we do that, look at my QR code. Really cool stuff, guys. All right, so this is what it made. And then you can download this. And like I said, people that have small businesses or anything else, I could put my YouTube channel in here. Okay, really cool stuff. So you have an AI QR code generator as well as an image generator that you basically get to use for free. Okay, so I'm going to close this out because it's going to cause issues with MetaMask because it wants to keep connecting to that network. So close that out when you're going to go on to the next step. All right. Okay, now that we're on PancakeSwap, we need the contract address for Openfabric. You can get it from PancakeSwap. I also copied it for you here on the spreadsheet. So you can take it from here. You can take it from CoinGecko. All right. And either way, just make sure that you use the right one. Press import. All right. So like I said, this is a rumored airdrop. There's nothing confirmed yet, but I'm going to buy at least 10 tokens. Okay, that's what I recommend, just to have 10, because that might be the way they kind of weed out some of the farmers and people just doing 1 token or decimals of decimals. So maybe 10 is the minimum. So we're going to buy 10 tokens, OFN tokens. You don't have to do this step, but this is just something that I think if you want to get that extra boost, if it does create the airdrop, guys, you're going to want to do this because Uniswap is doing this and some other protocols might start where the staking of their token is going to earn you some rewards. Okay, so now we need to go stake them at the openfabric.ai, which is right here. We will click that. So now we're going to click on stake now. And time is of the essence, guys, with this. And I'm going to show you why. So connect your wallet to the website. Okay, standard connection there. Okay, so now you can see that they have 3 active staking pools for different time frames. You can stake for 90 days, 180 days, or 365. Now, as you can see, they have a capacity of these pools. So once this is full, this is done. They will no longer allow staking. Okay, so you definitely want to jump on this sooner rather than later so you can get in on this, because I honestly think that the people that have staked OFN and that use the testnet OFN will be eligible for an airdrop, because airdrops are a great way to market for their project and to help their token price as well. So I really do think that they will do this. No guarantees, of course. This could be all for nothing. This could be a big waste of time. But either way, maybe the OFN token price will go up. So I'm going to pick this one, 180 days, because I did this one in my last one. There's nothing wrong with 365. I actually think that's the best way to go, because it guarantees that you're going to hold the token for a year from now. But we're just going to do this just in case it pumps a lot in 180 days. Then we can have those tokens to use after that. Okay. And you're going to get these tokens back at the end of the term. Okay. And you're going to actually earn from them as well. So click enable first on the staking pool. This is going to give the pool permission to use our OFN. So you can see this is going to be locked until August 2024. Okay. So this one's more of the lower risk one, because you can get it back. And it might be pumped up pretty big by then. Who knows? Okay, so it might be a good profit for this as well. So now we're going to click deposit. We're going to deposit the OFN into the staking pool. Make sure you have enough to cover gas. Okay, always leave like 50 cents to $1 just in case for the gas. All right, let that process through. Transaction success. So we'll close out of that. And you can see here's my active stakes right here. 10 OFN. You can see how much USD value, total rewards. Okay, so right now they have about 655,000 US dollar locked in the staking, which is great because that's not too much. And their market cap right now is at 32 million. So they could definitely afford to do an airdrop, and that'll cause a lot of popularity. As you can see, this coin already is up 220% in the last 30 days. So something's brewing here with this Openfabric, and I definitely want to be ahead of the curve and ahead of the market here for this project. So that's really it, guys. We went through all the steps here. Okay, I showed you how to do the testnet steps and the staking of their token. So overall, I just think this is a really cool protocol, because you get to use these AI applications for free right now, especially on the testnet, and they have more of these coming out, guys. And like I said, creators can actually submit their applications on here and be paid for it once the marketplace goes live on their own blockchain. Okay, because they are going to have their own blockchain. Okay, as you can see, they're audited. You guys can do more research on this. Like I said, this is just speculation on my end that this project will launch an airdrop. No guarantees, not guaranteeing anything. But at the end of the day, if there is no airdrop, at least you get some free AI applications out of it. Maybe this OFN token pumps up even more. So it is a win-win here for testing out the Openfabric testnet and buying their token right now on PancakeSwap. I'm going to have another video for you guys tomorrow that will show you a guaranteed airdrop that has already been announced. All you have to do is have some trading volume on the exchange. Because when you're building an airdrop portfolio, it's nice to have those free testnets, but you also want to mix in some other types of projects like this, where you actually have to use some crypto and some exchanges and things like that, just to diversify. Because yes, the testnet airdrops will be amazing, and I do think we are going to get those for Barachain, Venom, and Sin Futures, which are the 3 videos I've already made about airdrops. But it is nice to mix in some other ones as well. So thank you all to the new subscribers. I really do appreciate everybody. I really do appreciate all the comments and support on this channel. I'm doing my best to find the best potential airdrops for you guys to continue on our goal to make $100,000 in 2024 with crypto airdrops. So guys, if you like this video, if you learned something, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, let me know your questions about Openfabric. I'll be happy to answer them. You can also hit them up in their Telegram or on Twitter. And I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you guys are. Until the next time we will talk again, take care and take charge. Creative Crypto out.